Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au with your weekly Wednesday special offered online or over the counter at your Brisbane and Melbourne stores for the next 24 hours only until 4 p.m. Queensland time. You are looking at the Ainslie Bullion half kilo, 500 gram silver bar. Let's take a nice little up close look before we tell you what the special is. They are so shiny you can see me in the background. Hey there everyone, how you doing? So the Ainslie Bullion logo, really love the Ainslie Bullion logo, just very simple design and sleek as well, as is the bar in itself. And 500 grams right here, fine silver, and 9995 plus, so 99.95% plus purity, which of course makes that bullion grade. And of course, because it's Ainslie Bullion, we sell bullion. Funny about that. So right here, let's tell you the discount. I'll just show you the back as well, just plain background right there. So here's the normal deal. When buying them, obviously we have a singular price if you're buying, between 1 and 49, I think it is. Then you get a bit of a discount if you're buying 50 or more, up to 99, and then you get a discount if you're buying 100 or more. That normal discount, the price difference is $10 between the singular price for just buying one or buying 100. There's a $10 per bar discount difference, if that makes sense. But for the next 24 hours, we're not only matching the 100 bulk discount price, we're actually going to do 50% better than that. So $15 off per bar for just buying one or buying 50 or buying 100, buying a whole truckload of them, $15 off per bar for the next 24 hours until 4 p.m. Queensland time tomorrow, Thursday. So you know what to do. I'll put a link below in the info section of the YouTube page and as part of the pinned comment to the specific product page. Hopefully you get this in time. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you really need to be to become the early bird and hit the notification bell as well so you get the special as soon as possible, because sometimes these run out. So just be aware of that. So the Ainslie Bullion half kilo silver bar on special, $15 off per bar, no matter how many you buy for the next 24 hours. I need you to like, share and subscribe. And as always, thanks for choosing Ainslie.